Everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify your email on FlexJobs step by step. FlexJobs is a trusted online job platform that helps users find remote work from home, freelance and flexible job, and all job listings are hand-screened to avoid scams. Email verification is important to keep your account secure and fully active. So first you need to open to your browser and go to the official FlexJob website. At the top there's a search bar, type down flexjob.com and enter it. And over here, make sure to log into your FlexJob account using your email and password. And if you just created an account, FlexJob will automatically ask you to verify your email. Or if you do not get the email, you can get into this dashboard of the FlexJob. And after signing up or logging in, you can select this option that says into your profile here. Click over there and go to the account details. And this will redirect you back to the FlexJob setting management over here. Just beside the contact information, we can see there's an option for the email preferences. You need to select to the email preferences and simply remove the email that you had before, and you can simply add it over here. And after that, you'll see a confirmation message into your email has been successfully verified and your FlexJob account is now fully activated. And that's how you verify email on FlexJob. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any troubles or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.